늦은 밤 평화로워 보이는 한 가정집.
Rosa, let her out, please.
잠시 후 여성이 강아지를 밖으로 데려가던 그때 누군가에게 고용돼 한 가족을 몰살시킨 킬러. 그렇게 킬러는 임무를 완수한 뒤 사라지지만 사실 가족에겐 유학 중인 딸이 있었죠. 한편 부부의 남은 딸인 엘라의 암살 의뢰를 받게 된 킬러 루카스. 엘라는 부모님이 살해된지도 모른 채 남자친구와 파티장으로 향하고 있었는데요.
Hey,
I didn't think you were gonna make it.
sorry.
It's okay. I'm glad you got here. Let's go.
잠시 후 루카스는 엘라를 따라 클럽으로 들어갑니다.
It's nice. I could show it to you.
그런데 이때 다른 킬러가 엘라를 노리는 걸 발견한 루카스. 알고 보니 루카스는 자신의 딸이 생각나 차마 엘라를 죽일 수 없었고 결국 그녀를 지켜주기로 하는데요. 그렇게 세 사람은 킬러들을 피해 도망치기 시작합니다.
Why are they shooting at us?
What are you doing? There was the police.
자신의 정체를 차마 말하지 못하고 도망치는 루카스. 추격을 피해보려 하지만 킬러들은 끈질기게 따라붙는데
He's got scars!
He's gone. Come on.
What are you doing?
Getting us out of here. What's wrong with you?
He's protecting us.
He's crazy. Come, let's go.
그 시각 루카스는 다른 킬러를 확실하게 처리하고 있었죠. 한편 엘라와 남자친구가 전화로 도움을 청하려던 그때
Get off the farm. Where's yours? Drop it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. In it.
What's happening?
Your life's in danger. Someone's been hired to kill you.
That's insane.
Does this have something to do with my father? Did he say anything?
I've done enough.
What?
Ella, come on. Let's go.
그렇게 루카스는 엘라의 목숨을 구하고 돌아서지만 뜻밖의 메시지를 받게 됩니다. 루카스는 자신의 가족이 인질로 잡혀버리고 마는데
Get in. Ella, don't do it.
You need to get in.
Ella, you saw what he does. Listen to me. Please, look at me. Don't get into that car. Please. What's wrong with you, Ella?
엘라는 자신을 지켜준 루카스를 믿어보기로 하죠.
I want to call the police.
People who want you dead aren't half the police in Europe.
I don't understand what's going on. I don't even know your name.
My name is Lucas.
어색한 대화를 이어가며 일단 자신의 은신처로 향하는 루카스.
I've been expecting your call.
How did you find them?
I make sure I always know everything I can about my employees. Teresa's still a good-looking woman. I'm guessing Ella Hatto reminded you of your daughter.
Why do you want her dead?
Her father betrayed me. He had to be punished. He stole a lot of money.
Aren't you just punishing a dead man?
You don't know what you're doing with this girl. But one way or another, this girl will die. You have to know that.
고용주인 에디슨의 말에 루카스는 고민에 빠지는데요.
Can I use the bathroom?
잠시 후 화장실에 들어간 엘라는 전화기를 발견하고 아버지에게 전화를 걸어봅니다.
Hello?
Who's this?
Trying to reach my dad?
Ella, this is Special Agent
Gina Banks with the FBI.
You need to tell me where you are.
I don't know.
Are you with a man who calls himself Lucas?
Yeah?
Ella, listen to me very carefully. He's a professional assassin. We believe he's been hired to kill you.
Ella, are you there?
Yeah, just a second.
Ella,
I have to go.
Ella.
겁에 질린 엘라가 밖으로 나오자 총을 들고 그녀를 맞이하는 루카스.
Are you going to kill me? Please, you don't have to do this. Please.
또다시 딸의 얼굴이 떠오른 루카스는 결국 엘라를 쏘지 못하고 맙니다.
I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Okay. I'm not gonna do anything to you. I was hired to kill you, but I'm not gonna do it because I can't do it.
I need to call home. I need to call my dad.
Your father's dead. He was always meant to kill you first as a message. I couldn't bring myself to do it. I waited too long till I killed your whole family. Now they're gonna want to kill us both.
우여곡절 끝에 엘라에게 모든 진실을 털어놓은 루카스.
She needs something.
그렇게 루카스가 술 한 잔을 마시려던 그때 다시 킬러들의 습격이 시작됩니다. 엘라를 지키기 위해 사투를 벌이는 루카스. 한편 겁에 질린 엘라는 이곳에서 빠져나갈 방법을 모색 중인데요. 그렇게 엘라가 겨우 밖으로 나온 그때
Get in! Come on, there could be more of them. Come on!
겨우 목숨을 건진 루카스는 잠시 후 신뢰하는 동료에게 도움을 요청하죠.
Hey, Danny, it's me.
Attention s'il vous plaît, le train en provenance de Dijon.
Got a friend that's gonna meet us on the train. Her name's Danny.
그런데 이때 보안 요원이 다가오는데요.
Bonjour. May I please see your identification? Hers?
I left it in the hotel. Right, Dad?
She left it in the hotel.
Ok. Bon voyage.
That was good.
잠시 후 루카스는 자신의 동료인 다니를 만납니다.
Lucas?
Yeah.
So that's her.
Thanks for coming.
I was there just once you called me up for dinner and a movie. Sleep in the shower?
Yeah, something like that.
They say you kidnapped her.
It's not like that.
It's all over the news.
Let's get started.
얼마 후 잠에 들었던 엘라가 일어나는데요.
Hello, this is Danny. Maybe you should go for a walk while she finishes up.
그렇게 자리를 피해 부모님의 사진을 보며 많은 생각에 잠기는 엘라.
Alright if I join you?
이때 다니가 엘라에게 다가오는데요.
How's he doing? He'll be okay. He's fairly indestructible. What are you doing with him? Is it a schoolgirl crush or just looking for daddy? Say it.
그러더니 다니는 엘라에게 경고를 날리죠.
Trying to help you. If you think he cares about you, you're wrong. The only thing he cares about is his fix. He's a junkie. Always was and always will be. Whatever that was good inside him died a long time ago. So if I were you and had Richard Addison trying to kill me, I'd take this, get off at the next station, and I'd run.
그렇게 다음 역에서 내리라는 말과 함께 사라지는 다니.
Hey, what you doing? Sit down. Lucas, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking of this.
Where's Ella?
She's in the dining car. She's having some food.
이때 루카스는 무언가 수상함을 감지하는데요.
Do it.
Why do you want me to do it so much? What's going on? Tell me!
Addison, he's put a brace on your head.
Excuse me. Hi. You waiting on someone?
결국 또다시 이곳은 전쟁터가 되고 말죠. 또다시 두 사람은 겨우 킬러에게서 도망치는데 성공합니다.
Are you okay?
How do you kill people? I mean, it's like your job, right? Someone gives you money and says murder this person, and then you go and you do it?
Take it.
엘라의 질문에 루카스는 그녀에게 총을 쥐어주며 장전을 시켜보는데요.
Pull that back. You got a bullet in the chamber. That point.
이때 루카스는 자신을 향해 총구를 옮기죠.
Shoot. That's how.
사람을 향해 총을 겨누는 것이 쉬운 게 아니란 걸 알려주는 루카스. 얼마 후 루카스는 엘라를 자신의 다른 은신처로 데려갑니다.
Who's the girl in the pictures?
It's my daughter. Her name's Jillian.
Your daughter? You're someone's dad? Does she live here?
I never met her. Her mother left me when she was pregnant.
You don't even want to meet her?
I don't think it's best for her.
잠시 후 약 때문에 괴로워하는 루카스를 뒤로 한 채 엘라는 부모님을 죽이라고 명령한 에디슨에 대해 검색해 봅니다.
How much would it cost
What?
to hire you? I want you to kill him. Edison. What, are you afraid of him?
You don't understand.
What is there to understand?
When you take a life, it takes you.
루카스의 말에 무언가를 결심하는 엘라.
Ella, put that down.
결국 엘라는 혼자서 에디슨을 죽이기로 결심합니다.
Can I help you?
Here to see Richard Addison?
And do you have an appointment?
No. Tell him it's Ella Haddo.
잠시 후 에디슨은 엘라가 자신을 찾아왔던 걸 전해 듣는데요. 하지만 역시 방아쇠를 당기는 건 쉬운 일이 아니었죠. 결국 엘라는 체포되고 마는데요.
You've got to tell me the truth. You've walked into Richard Addison's office with a loaded weapon. You are in so much trouble.
그런데 어째선지 에디슨은 그녀를 풀어달라 요청했고 경찰은 엘라의 신변을 FBI에게 넘기기로 합니다.
An agent from the FBI will be taking custody of you.
Ella, hello. I'm here to take you home.
그렇게 엘라가 FBI의 차를 타는 사이 루카스에게 누군가가 찾아옵니다.
The only reason you're still alive is to give Addison a message. Tell him I'm done. He won't see me again.
루카스가 킬러를 제압하고 일어나던 그때
Now what?
Really?
Yeah, I'm leaving.
So pathetic. To where?
Far away.
Uh-huh. And then what?
And nothing. I'm done. Not this.
Yes, you're done. There's a price on your head. It's not personal, it's just business. Sorry.
겨우 루카스는 목숨을 건지고 그 사이 엘라는 공항으로 향하는데요.
We'll be at the airport pretty soon. Ella, I know you've been through a lot, but we don't have much time. I have to ask you some questions, okay?
Yeah.
Now, I understand you have a bank account in Switzerland, is that right?
Yes.
Your father set it up for you? But we think that account may have something to do with your father's murder. So I have to ask these questions.
그런데 차가 향하는 방향이 이상합니다.
How long until the airport?
Just a few minutes. It's right up ahead.
Right. Then why are the planes landing behind us?
Well, I guess we're gonna have to do this differently.
알고 보니 FBI도 에디슨에게 매수되어 엘라의 계좌에 들어간 거액에 돈을 쫓고 있었죠.
Let her! Get her out!
Come on! You're on the run by now, I expect.
I just wanted to tell you. We got the girl. She's been taken care of. I guess all your trouble was for nothing.
잠시 후 사람들을 모아 파티를 열고 있던 에디슨.
Open the gate.
No one's answering at the gate, and I cannot reach anyone in security.
그리고 에디슨은 자신을 찾아온 루카스와 대면하죠.
Lucas, stop. Why are you doing this? This is who I am, right?
This is madness. Because of this girl. You'll wake up tomorrow morning, you won't remember her name, her face, just like the others.
Her name was Ella.
She's alive. They have her in the basement.
결국 에디슨은 루카스와 함께 엘라가 있는 곳으로 향합니다.
It's me. It's okay. Everybody just stay calm.
Take off her gag.
Tell him. Do it. Metzger, take it off.
Ella, you listen to me. You're gonna get out of here, and I'm gonna kill them all.
Well, now let's be sensible. We all have a common interest here. We all want to stay alive. Stay calm.
Now untie her.
바로 그때 그런데 엘라를 놓쳐버린 루카스.
You love bitch. Same gun I used to kill your father.
루카스가 나타나지만 역부족이었는데
Too many fuck-ups for both of you. Such a shame.
Point. Shit.
결국 엘라는 자신의 손으로 부모님의 복수를 하는데 성공합니다.
Ella, stay with me.
Why did you save me? Maybe you were a good person.
Excuse me.
그렇게 루카스의 마음에 닿는 한마디를 남긴 채 엘라는 구급차에 실려가죠.
Hello?
Hi.
Ella, we're gonna be out there.
Who's that?
Sorry, I'm living with my aunt.
Is that okay?
Yeah. She's nice.
I don't really know her that well.
Oh, I just wanted to check in and see that you're doing okay.
Did you ever go see your daughter?
I called her. So I'm gonna see her soon.
That's good.
Bye, Ella.
Bye, Lucas.
이렇게 용기를 내어 가족의 품으로 돌아가는 루카스의 모습으로 영화 헌터 스프레어는 막을 내립니다.